Right, okay guys, so what am I going to be having a go on today? This! Oh, right, we're having a go on green cuisine, bird's eye green cuisine, powered by plants, chicken free, southern fried strips. Vegan source of protein. Right, there is... Oh, hang on, let's do it that one. Oh, you might be able to see that one. Oh, you cannot see the screen, so hopefully that's in the screen. So there's the traffic lights. Nutritional information is there. Now I can see that. Ingredients anywhere? There's the ingredients. Get this out of the way, then we'll have a look at it. So, what allergens have we got? Wheat. That's it. Wheat. And it also says may contain milk and mustard. How many calories per 100? 296 calories. Right, so we've got 210 grams in this pack, I believe. Where did I see that? Yeah, 210 grams. And the cost, I think it was £3. Yeah, £3. I had a look online because, again, I bought these ages ago. Not got round to doing it. So I don't know what I paid, but they're £3 everywhere online for 210 grams, which bit pricey, but the prices have gone up, haven't they? So what was £2.50 a few months ago is now £3. So yeah. So it's a little bit on the pricey side, but I have reviewed its stablemate, a southern fried grill, which is literally, I would imagine, the same thing, but just a big grill with the same coating. Got a decent score where it didn't, you know, bowl me over, but it got an okay score. So, you know, I'm expecting this to be a similar product, really. So that is about it, I think. Not really much more I can say about it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually put them, I'll obviously have some to try on their own, but I'm going to put them in a bread roll, bit of lettuce, mayo, probably melt some cheese on. Oh, lovely old jubbly. I'm going to do some home cooked chips as well in the old air fryer. Skin on fries. So yeah, looking forward to them. And of course a chip butty. Gotta have a chip butty, ain't I? So right, I think, oh, he's with me, look. Boo boo. I think it's time to fire up the old oven and get some food on the plate. Come on, boo boo. Okay, here it is. Look at that. Whoa. Hang on, let's pick it up. Let's pick it up. Oh, yes. It's been a while since I've had a burgery type product in a bread roll. Right, here we go. So I've got some home cooked chips here, Maris Pipers. Done. So go to focus. Done in the old air fryer. They're all right. Right, let's have a go. I've also got some more here without anything on. Let's try this. Oh yeah. I tell you, when I took them out of the, or even out of the box to cook them, you could smell the southern fried seasoning on them. That's pretty good. Right. Right. This is probably why it didn't get a fantastic score last time. We daren't push it too much because all the breadcrumbs have got to come off. But it's very squidgy. It's not really meaty, like chickeny. Yeah, very mushy. Excuse me, mushy. It's not a bad product. The coating really good, but why wouldn't it be? Like, you know, I would imagine they could pretty much put the same coating on this as they do the chicken product, so there's no reason why it shouldn't be. Right, let's just have a food chips and we'll give it a score. Got to have salt and vinegar on your chips, ain't you? I've got some mayo at the back here, hiding around the back. Whoa! Nice. Oh, lovely. Chip butty. And we will give it a score. Chip butty. Do you know what? I've been watching a lot of like YouTube channels, like Americans like looking at British stuff, reaction videos, that's what they're called. And I learned something a couple of weeks ago, and I still can't believe it. I don't know if I've somehow this piece of information has escaped me somehow, but I can't believe I got to 52 years old and not knew this. I mean, how have I not noticed it in Hollywood films and stuff? But come on, be honest, guys. Who knew in America that they don't have electric kettles? Electric kettles, what you boil your water in to make a cup of tea and coffee. They don't have them in America, apparently. They still boil their water on the oven, on the stove, with a what we'd call a whistle type kettle. Do you know, I've been working since 1987. I've been in thousands of people's houses since then. Probably it must run into the thousands. And I can't ever remember anybody making me a cup of tea or coffee using a kettle on the stove. I can't ever remember that happening. So I just can't get my head round how the Americans, I mean, this guy who I watched, he just had no idea what it was. It took him a while to get his head round what an electric kettle was. And I'm like, what? I can't believe it. So am I the only one who didn't know that? Because that somehow has escaped me. But anyway, let's get back to the chip butty. The reason what made me think that was another thing is, like, I always put butter in my burger rolls and that, and apparently big no-no in America as well. Which, I mean, that does happen here as well. I mean, you don't get it in, like, if you went and got a hot dog or burger off a van somewhere, they wouldn't butter the roll. Well, more than likely they wouldn't. But I've always buttered me burger rolls and that. I can't be the only one. Who else does that? Dunk it in the mayo. Oh yeah. Right. Score. Now, I gave it stablemate an 8.7. Now, it was a long time ago I did that. That would have been in the first 10 videos I think I did. 10 reviews I think I did. So, obviously as I work through products and refine my judging ability and scores sort of thing, because you're constantly re-comparing it against. Would I score it an 8.7 again? I don't know, I'd have to redo it again, but I suspect if it did change it would go up a bit. I'm going to give that an 8.9. I think that it doesn't deserve a 9 because it's too mushy, but the actual product, it's a bit pricey as well, but everything is now. Oi, boo boo. It's a bit pricey, but that coating is seriously good. And it's really thick and crunchy as well. That's really good. So I think it needs to sit just underneath a 9. So yeah, that's a pretty good product, that. I don't think that will get that up on the scoreboard. Now, later tonight, I'm doing a soft and sweet, and that video will go out tomorrow if you're watching this on day of release. And I've bought a great big Morrison's frozen double chocolate gâteau. Straight back in at the deep end again, eh boo boo? So yeah, I've bought a big old double chocolate gâteau, which is defrosting in my fridge at the moment. So I'll be having that later on with a nice cup of coffee. And I'll probably have some double cream with it as well. Right, here we go then. So yeah, we'll wrap it up here, eh boo boo? So thanks for watching, guys. And it'll be absolutely fantastic if you could join me again on another video soon. Take care, guys. Where's he gone? Oh, he knows what the time is, does he? Poor old Bob, he's not feeling well again. I think I'll give it. There's a certain food that don't agree with him, which I found out last night. So he's not eating again today, poor old Bob. Do you want one, Bob? Alright, you have one, but I don't think you'll eat it. There you are. Oh, he is eating it. He is eating it. Oh, he's back on form. We'll do it again. Hey!